Thanks for joining me today on my new YouTube channel. My old channel is Mower Dog, M-O-W-E-R-D-O-G. If you want to see some of my past videos of auto repair, home repair tips, and I also do a lot of metal detecting, so you might enjoy that channel. So this channel is going to be about my journey of building a soft wash pressure washing trailer and trying to put that to work. So about 7 months ago, I sold my farm, and I'm trying to semi-retire, which means I still have to work. I don't have to make as much money as I used to, but I still have to work, and I enjoy working. I enjoy working outside, work with my hands. So I'm going to take you through my initial steps here of getting this pressure washing business started. I don't even have a name for it, although I do have 35 years of customers I can call on, so I've got a pretty good customer base. And I just enjoy being outside, and this looked like a pretty good business for me. So what I'm going to try to do, unlike some of the other channels, not all of them, but some of the other channels where they show you a complete trailer and then they go over it and say, here's what I did, I'm actually going to take you through every step of how to build all this. So a little bit about me: I'm a master plumber, and also I used to be a ASC master auto tech, so this kind of stuff is right down my alley. So the first thing I want to do is what most of us do: is what are we going to put the equipment on? So you can kind of see behind me here, I've got a trailer and a tote. I really toyed with the idea of buying a flatbed truck, but I already had a full-size Chevy truck with an 8-foot bed, and so I was going to, build a skid for that. And then I got thinking, I don't want to lean over that far. I want something down low where I can work on it, because I turned 60 in a week, and I just want things easy at my eye level, and where it's easy to work on. I can see everything. So it all started with a trailer. I started looking at the trailer builds online, like pretty much all of us do, and even if you already have a trailer, you're looking at other people's trailers to get ideas and stuff like that. So basically, this trailer is a copy, somewhat copy, of Cody's builds at Southeast Softwash. So what I did was I took a screenshot, sorry Cody, and I sent it to a trailer manufacturer, which I had negotiated some pretty good prices with, and I'm going to show you that trailer now, and I'm going to tell you how much it costs. Alright guys, so this is a brand new trailer, and as you can see, I had a ladder rack built for it, and the ladder rack is built 60 inches from the floor to the bottom here, and I just purchased this 330 gallon tote, and I've got about 10 inches of clearance, so you don't want it any shorter than 60 inches. So this trailer obviously is a tandem axle. It has electric brakes on this axle here. I had him put a Bulldog hitch on it, heavy hitch, and he bulked up a little heavier on the tongue. And let's see what else. Oh, it comes in 20 different colors. This one's dark metallic blue. I probably should have went with a little lighter blue. I was kind of wanting to look pretty cool and blue like water. Also what he did is I had him put a hitch on the back here, and it has a provision for lights, so you never know when you need to hook up another trailer. He built this channel right here, so I can put like a 2x12 treated lumber in there. I didn't want a lift gate. Let's see what else. So I guess that's about it. It's a 7,000 pound trailer, and it's from loadandgotrailers.com. I can't say enough about this company. I probably had 20 emails back and forth to the owner, and each time he answered promptly, and he gave me a really good price, and I thought this was a good deal. He only charged me $2,260 out the door, custom built. So if you guys need a trailer, they're located about 30 minutes south of Branson, Missouri, and it's worth the drive. He built it in about 2 weeks, and he said he had about 30 trailers ahead of me. So that's my beginning. It is a 12-foot long, and it's 68 inches in between the fender wells. So with this tote, which is going to be my buffer tank, I've got about 18 inches right here between the fender wells. So I'm going to find a bleach tank, and on the other side 2 or 3 soap tanks. So that's my trailer. I highly recommend them. Pulls down the road really well. And so next thing is this. This is the bulk of the equipment, and I bought this from Southside Equipment, Russ Johnson. And why I went with Russ is because, well, he's highly recommended. I called him and I said, hey, I know what the bulk of the stuff I need, but I don't know, I'm not going to make a list of all the little small parts. And took his recommendation, and I also gave him, free reign. I said, when you're walking down the aisles pulling my stuff, if you see something I need, go ahead and put it in the cart. So I bought some of his chemical. I can't see it, but anyway, I bought 3/5 of his chemical. One Snotmonade, the other I believe is Red Raider, and something else. Heck, I don't remember. But on here I've got 3 Titan stainless steel reels, got hoses. Somewhere hidden in here I've got a 8 gallon per minute general pump in a gearbox. So I'll be buying I'm toying between a Briggs & Stratton or a Predator build. And why I'm leaning kind of toward the Predator build is because I have a Harbor Freight basically in my backyard, and I just like saving money. Now, I'm not rich by any means, but I could have bought a complete trailer, all ready to go. But I don't think there's any fun in that right now, because this is going to be a winter project. This is basically the 1st of October. I think it's the last day of September. But I don't even know what I have on here, guys. But I trust Russ. Pretty much I have 90% of the stuff I need right there. Okay, so I did buy a couple of things online, which is my electric roof pump. And it's a fat boy. It's a 7 gallon, 100 pound. And I'm going to build a metering system for it. And then I'm going to have 2 or 3 soaps. So I'm going to have a metering system for it to go into the metering system for the Softwash. And then I'm going to also have a downstream just for like siding, vinyl siding. I live in a town of about 20,000, and I'd say 25% of the houses are vinyl. So, and virtually all those are black and green on the north side. So let me tell you something. I've been studying this for about a year, and there's a lot of great YouTube channels. Back before the internet, you'd start a business and you were on your own. Now you can start a business and have a jump start, but everybody else has a jump start. But it does make it easier. So please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and so you can follow the rest of my videos on this build. And everywhere I can, I'll give you all the tips I can and how much it costs, so you can be aware of your out of pocket. And anyway, check out my other channel if you got time. If not, fine, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.